Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Carstairs, Alberta. This small and friendly town is located just north of Calgary in the heart of Mountain View County. It's surrounded by beautiful open prairie and farmland, with the Rocky Mountains visible in the distance on clear days. Carstairs has a peaceful, small-town feeling, but is still close enough to big cities for easy access. Carstairs began as a stop along the Canadian Pacific Railway in the late 1800s. It was named after a town in Scotland, likely because many of the early settlers and railway workers came from Scottish backgrounds. The railway helped the community grow, bringing in people and supplies and giving local farmers a way to ship their grain and goods. Carstairs is a great example of how Alberta's small towns keep their history alive while looking toward the future. Thanks for joining us on this visit to Carstairs, Alberta. Thanks for watching.